Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can throw a tornado axe kick. Now let's get started. Before we get into learning the tornado axe kick or crescent kick, you need to know how to do you need to know how to do an axe kick or a crescent kick, so that tutorial will be in the description box down below. And also you need to know how to do a basic tornado roundhouse kick to the body. Both of those tutorials will be in the description box down below. Definitely go check them out if you need help learning those. Now let's start breaking down the tornado axe kick. So first we're going to start off really simple, just a turning step into the axe kick. So your kicking leg's going to be in front. You're going to turn step in front of you. From here, axe kick. So once again, it's going to be a turning step into that axe kick. Now, once you get that down, get used to the turn, then we're going to practice the jump switch into the axe kick. So all you're going to do, the non-kicking leg, the knee's going to come up. You're going to jump, switch into the axe kick. Once again, your non-kicking leg comes up, jump, switch into the axe kick. That's basically the motion after the turn. Now we're going to combine those first two steps. You're going to turn, legs up, jump, and switch. So basically just do it slow. Turn, jump, switch. From there, you have it. You just need to put it all together. Turn, jump, switch, and you've got it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to check out my other kicking tutorials, the link to that will be in the description box down below. Definitely go check those out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.